Hello and welcome to Maker and Fixer of Things. I'm Chuck. Today we'll be repairing a 30-year-old random orbit sander. As you can see, there's no hook and loop fastener on here, so I can't stick sandpaper to it. So I've ordered a new disc and we're going to replace it today. So we'll start by removing the old pad that doesn't have any hook and loop fastener attached to it. It's held on by these 4 screws, so we'll go ahead and get them out of the way. Then we'll pull the pad off and, oh, look at that, there's a spacer. And there is no spacer on the replacement. So now that we have the right tool, we'll take some measurements and make sure we can generate the correct size. It's a 3mm high ring, and I'll get some more measurements. So when I'm doing a model, I like to start with modules. They make it easier to work with things like differences. So we're going to call this one main body, and it needs to be a cylinder that is 3.5 millimeters tall and have a base radius of 26 and a top radius of 26. And main body, and there we go. So it's centered where it needs to be. So now we need to do a module for the holes. So we need another cylinder. This one we want to be 5 millimeters tall and have a radius of 2.5 so that it's a 5 millimeter hole. And add holes. So this is going to be a nub as opposed to a hole because we just want to see where it is. Now we're going to need to move that. So let's translate. Don't want to change that one. This one, I worked out the math, 21.25. And then don't want to go anywhere in that direction. Open you up. And looks good. Alright, so now we want to go ahead and do 4 more of those. Or 3 more of those, sorry. And there we go. And now we need to do a difference. Gotta keep your indents, make everything look nice. And there we go. So now we've got our base plate, and we'll export that as an STL and be good to go. Okay, so this bit's gonna go pretty quick. I'm just gonna drop the STL and slice and send it to the printer. Yes, there is nothing on the plate. There we go. And it is printing. So here's the finished 3D printed spacer. You'll notice that on here there are these spikes that are sticking out, and I did not make corresponding holes in this for those because it's soft plastic, and I'm hoping that just by tightening the screws it'll press it into those posts and put divots in without me having to actually design them in. So let's give it a try. All right, so let's line these holes up. We'll get this, we'll get that, it's in the hole. Just start that screw. Now watch me struggle. thing things down before all the screws were there. Let's see if it works out anyway. That almost never happens. Yep, there we go. Having trouble with the last screw because oh no, I'm putting it in the wrong hole. Ah. Oh, so did that one. That one went in the wrong hole too. Let me fix that. Geez, I'm falling apart here. There we go.
1912 to 1913 school year, one of the experiments involving a garbage, a fastener, went too far, to the extent that it almost killed another student. To protect the meat took the blame and was sentenced to expose them to public in their place.